Hi, and welcome to this presentation on sage advice for memory and cognition. I'm Dr. Brad McEwen, naturopath, nutritionist, herbalist, educator, researcher, and mentor. Chronic diseases are the leading causes of morbidity and mortality worldwide. With populations around the world rapidly aging, there has been a significant increase in life expectancy. With this increase in age, it makes sense that there's a parallel increase in cognitive related and other chronic diseases. Some of these cognitive diseases include cognitive impairment, cognitive decline itself, dementia, and the ultimate of all is Alzheimer's disease. Cognitive impairment and decline are growing global burdens and concerns. The impairment is a multifactorial condition with a complex interplay of several different factors, including age, demographics, genetics, socio-economic position, environmental factors, and one of the main ones we'll be looking at, of course, is nutrition and herbal medicine. Herbal and nutritional medicines are being investigated to slow or even reverse the effect of cognitive decline and to improve overall cognitive function in all age groups. Herbal medicines and optimum nutrition are fundamental for the management and prevention of various chronic diseases. This presentation is an excerpt of Sage Advice for Cognitive Improvement published in the Journal of the Australian Traditional Medicine Society in the year 2020. Sage originates from the Latin word meaning to heal. The use of sage spans several thousand years and has a long history of use in cooking, for medicinal purposes, and in traditional medicine. Sage has various uses relating to cognitive function, including improving attention, learning, memory, secondary memory, cognition, and improving cognitive decline. Some of the actions of sage are its cognitive effects, of course, which is what this presentation is about. It improves memory performance on computerized cognitive assessment battery tests. It improves secondary memory, which is the long-term unlimited storage of process information. So I want you to imagine a computer system that has unlimited storage, that is the brain. And our secondary memory system is part of that process for us to be able to recall things such as 1 + 1 = 2, 2 × 2 = 4, etc. Sage enhances our learning capacity. It's been found to improve attention task performance in older cohorts, increases alertness, and improves delayed word recall. It has cholinergic effects, which means it improves the functionality of acetylcholine. It has the inhibition of the enzyme pathway system acetylcholinesterase. Now, acetylcholinesterase, which is such a long word, is an enzyme pathway which breaks down acetylcholine, which is needed for the formation of new memories. In vitro cholinesterase inhibiting properties as well, so it has internal as well as in vitro effects. And it enhances the memory performance where there's certain different systems in play to aid learning. And this is the ability to sort of not rote learn, but sort of have different aids in learning to recall and learn memorized tasks, particularly in healthy young participants. It improves mood. It improves mood in healthy young participants and has been found to reduce anxiety. And there's one particular study that found that the participants felt very calm and relaxed and at ease, which is very good in today's strong, anxious world. Some of the other functions of sage include carminative, so it has a relaxing effect on the digestive system, antispasmodic, antiseptic, astringent properties, which is binding up of inflamed tissue, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Other actions also include reduction of blood levels of total cholesterol, triglycerides, LDLs and VLDLs. It lowers glycated hemoglobin, HbA1c, which is hemoglobin in the red blood cell, and I want you to imagine it's got glycation end products or sugars attached to it, and that can actually lead to oxidative stress in the red blood cell, and further elevated blood glucose levels affect that. It increases HDL levels, which some people classify as the good cholesterol. It reduces fasting glucose levels, and one of the other fantastic functions of sage is its reduction of 2-hour postprandial glucose and cholesterol. Herbal medicines and optimum nutrition play a fundamental role in the prevention and management of chronic disease. Sage has multiple actions and uses such as improving cognition, attention, learning and memory, and has significant potential for use in cognitive disorders such as cognitive decline. And again, the references are found in the published article in the Journal of the Australian Traditional Medicine Society 2020. Thank you very much. Wishing you all the best.